MinuteDock is a time tracking and accounting software that's designed to help businesses with their financial management. But before deciding to buy, there are a few key things you should know. It's important to weigh MinuteDock against competitors like FreshBooks and QuickBooks to ensure it's the best fit for your business. Let's dive into 12 things you need to know before committing to MinuteDock. First off, MinuteDock specializes in tracking time, making it ideal for businesses that need to bill clients by the hour. However, compared to other accounting tools, it lacks the broad invoicing features some competitors offer. If you need complex invoices, you might want to look elsewhere. Next, MinuteDock integrates seamlessly with Xero, which is a huge plus for businesses that already use this accounting software. However, it doesn't have the same level of integration options with other platforms, so if you rely on other tools for your business operations, this could limit its usefulness. The third thing to note is its user-friendly interface. MinuteDock is fairly easy to use, which is a big selling point for teams who want to avoid complicated software. But while it's user-friendly, it might feel too basic if you're looking for advanced features and customization options that other software like QuickBooks offers. The fourth thing is the time tracking feature. It allows businesses to track billable and non-billable hours and integrate them directly into invoices. This is great for project-based businesses, but might be overkill for companies that don't need detailed time tracking. Next, MinuteDock offers automatic data syncing with Xero, which helps reduce manual entry and errors. This feature is a big time saver, but keep in mind that if you're not using Xero, this feature loses its appeal. Another thing to consider is the pricing. While it's priced competitively, MinuteDock's tiered pricing structure could get costly as you scale. For small businesses with basic needs, it's a solid option, but it may not be the most cost-effective solution as your business grows. The seventh thing is the mobile app. MinuteDock's mobile app isn't as feature-rich as its desktop version, which can be frustrating if you're looking for a fully functional mobile experience. Competitors like FreshBooks have more robust mobile apps for managing your business on the go. The eighth thing is its reporting capabilities. MinuteDock does offer some reporting features, but they're fairly basic. If your business needs advanced financial reports or forecasting, you might find MinuteDock lacking in this department compared to more comprehensive tools like QuickBooks or FreshBooks. The ninth thing is customer support. MinuteDock offers support via email and live chat, but if you're used to 24/7 phone support, like with some competitors, this might feel a bit limiting. The 10th thing is the learning curve. While it's generally easy to get started with MinuteDock, businesses with more complex accounting needs might find it lacking in depth when it comes to accounting functionality. Another thing to consider is the mobile time tracking feature. MinuteDock allows you to track time on the go, but it's more suited for employees in the field or contractors. For teams that work primarily from an office, other software may offer better features for tracking time in different work environments. The 12th thing to note is that MinuteDock is not ideal for businesses that need project management features. While it integrates with tools like Asana or Trello, it doesn't have built-in project management tools like some of its competitors, such as FreshBooks. So, after looking at all the points, MinuteDock can be a great option for businesses that need simple time tracking and straightforward integration with Xero. However, if you're looking for more advanced features or a tool that can handle all your accounting needs, it may not be the best option. If you want a better solution, check out our recommended alternative, which you can try for free.